welcome to Kaushik Blogs for the latest video on Apple products. So today I'm going to unbox the HomePod Mini with the US variant. Of course the global variant are the same, so I'm going to unbox it. So it's like an Alexa, so where we can connect through its power card to the plug point and utilize it. So let me unbox this. This is a recycled box. So I'm going to open this slowly. So what are the contents? Let me check. Okay, so this is a HomePod Mini. It's like a teacup size, but it's very huge in the context. Look at that. This is a HomePod, and inside there are some documents. This is 20 watts adapter they're given. So this is the adapter, white one, and let me clear it. Let me clear everything and let me show the HomePod properly. So let me clear it off now. So here we go. This is the HomePod Mini. So it's black color. So this is made up of fabric and plastic display above. It looks like a glass, but it's not a glass, it's plastic. And this small size, but the more base, it's very good and very quickly. So let me fix this and come back on the video how it operates. Hey guys, so just now we just saw unboxing of HomePod Mini, so let's go to review of this HomePod Mini. And for connecting, we just unbox it and plug to the power card. To say the power socket, where you get a 20 watts adapter, and you get the detection from your iPhone says your HomePod Mini is here, and just tap it and follow the instructions of Siri and you'll get connected. So let's see the sound once again. Hey Siri, what's the weather in the room temp?
It's 21 degrees Celsius in the bedroom.
Uber.
Okay. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. What's my name?
You sound like Kaushik.
Okay, so
Navigatri.
now
Recently
actually
updated.
this works with home application. Let me just show you quickly.
Showing app
I'm
library.
going to app library,
App library.
by flicking left from the home screen with 3 fingers. Let me search here.
App library. Search field. Cap H. Cap H. Oh.
Okay, home.
Home.
Now here we go. This is
Screen recording.
I have selected the HomePod Mini for my bedroom. You can select living room, bathroom, and of course we don't keep HomePod Mini in the bathroom, so because I live in India. So now
HomePod. Not playing. Button.
look at that.
Tab bar. Selected.
There are
Home.
only 2 tabs, HomePod and automation.
Automation.
Let me go to top left.
My home. Add. Intercom to home. Button.
Okay, so there's a great feature. Now let me show you add.
Button.
Look at that.
Add accessory. Button.
Add accessory,
Add scene.
add
Button.
scene,
Add automation.
add
Button.
automation,
Add room.
add
Button.
room,
Add people.
add
Button.
people,
Add new home. Button.
add new home.
Dismiss context menu.
Home means the HomePod Mini. You have 2, you can pair it and you can use it like a stereo speakers. And
Intercom to home.
now here we go.
Button. Add. More.
What's
Button.
there in more? Double tap here.
Home settings. Button.
Home settings. Let me double tap here.
Add home.
Now.
Button. Close. Name. My home. People. Kaushik Rap. Invite people.
Look at that.
All members and energy. Home hubs and bridges.
So this is how
Homes.
it is.
Heading.
So this is a quick overview.
Limit reached.
And so this is all the overview. And let's meet you with a quick video from how to customize and all in the next part. So this is Kaushik signing off. Stay tuned for the next video.